Hey guys, so let's do a breakdown of my Euro USD trade that gave me a payout of 12 risk to reward ratio. I kid you not. I think was it 10 or 12? I'm not sure, but we would see it by the end of this video. This trade made me at least 10 risk to reward ratio. So $100 to $1,000. It's literally can double or triple your account depending on how much risk you use. Alright, so the idea for the trade was this on the daily from the daily chart now. We have that. Let me delete some of these things. We have a bearish Euro USD, right? So the Euro USD went into a range here. It went into a range in this area, okay? I was still looking to sell, but the market didn't want to go below this low, which I wanted, okay? It did not go below that low. So instead it went above this high. And if you look on the 1 hour chart, that high is a break of structure, all right? A break of structure of this entire move from up here to down here. So once this high gets broken, you can expect that the market is going to retrace to a certain point in this move. All right. So what was the obvious point to me? The obvious place to take profit was this gap here. We have a gap here. There was a gap here, which I marked out. All right. This gap. I don't know if it was a new week opening gap or a new day opening gap, but I just saw that gap and it really just jumped out to me. I was like, okay, if I'm taking profit, I'm not going to look for price to go above this high. I'm just going to take profit once price gets into this gap. So that was my trading idea. I was like, okay, if I'm buying this move, we'll wait for the price to get above this high here. So we'll wait for the price to get to this place here. And also down here like this, you can see that there is this support level here. And if you zoom in to that support level now, zoom in on that support level, there's a mitigation there which happened here. There's a mitigation there. Excuse me. So here we have a mitigation here, and the price comes into that area there. So now we have a buy area there. We have a buy area there. So what we look for is to just a break on the 5 minute charts. So this is like from the daily chart, we've gone down to the 1 hour, now down to the 5 minutes. All right, so on the 5 minutes, you can see from here now, this is the trend moving down into that area that got mitigated. So a high, a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? And then we make this move here. Okay, so this move breaks above this high, so that's a break of structure. And then we wait for the pullback into this range. So the entry is this area here. This area from here down to the low. Down to the low here. So that is the entry. Okay. And you can see the entry being triggered here. Right, so you can put your risk to reward tool there. Entry is here. This is the stop, and this is the target up here. So this was essentially the move. It was the move here. It took about 2 days, or like 1 day, something like that. So you can see the risk to reward is 12.12. So 12 hours, like I said. So it was a very, very clean, superb trade. And from there, you can see the price. I didn't expect this. I would have to admit that I didn't expect this one. So from here now, the price has come down considerably, and we are still dropping. Although from here now, the price might make a bullish move here, and then we can now enter. But basically, that's the explanation for this trade here. So 12 hour, and that concluded this chart. So that was just the whole point of it and how I went about this trade. So it's a daily move to a 1 hour, refined to a 5 minutes as well. So yeah, that's just it.